2015 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS fifth wheel for sale in Littleton, North Carolina 27850. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2015 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS fifth wheel. This luxury fifth wheel is 34 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 power retractable slide-outs, 1 power retractable awning, as well as leveling jacks. This impressive fifth wheel has been very well maintained, which has enabled its showroom-ready condition. This 2015 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven microwave fridge/freezer PantrySingle kitchen SinkDinette with 4 chairs, fireplace, television, surround sound, DVD/CD/StereoSofa, sleep with pull-out queen BedTheater style, reclining seats, stand-up ShowerMaster, queen-size BedMaster, storage closet basement, StorageFurnaceHeat, PumpTwo air conditioning, UnitsPlus, much more. This 2015 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS fifth wheel is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2015 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS fifth wheel can be yours.